Are you struggling to back up your emails from Google Workspace? There are many scenarios in which a user wants to back up their Google Workspace emails, such as for data backup, business continuity, archiving old emails, and more. This video provides you with two different methods to back up emails from Google Workspace. Professional Kernel Google Workspace Backup and Restore Software. Google Workspace Built-in Google Takeout. Automated solution to back up emails from Google Workspace. Kernel Google Workspace Backup and Restore Software is a professional solution for backing up emails from Google Workspace. With this software, you can easily set specific filters to back up selective emails from Google Workspace. Launch the Kernel Google Workspace Backup and Restore tool. Click on the Google Workspace Backup tile. In the following window, click Add. On the G Suite Login Wizard, enter your account login email ID, service account email, and upload P12 file. After that, click List all mailboxes using above credentials and click Get User Mailboxes. Select the necessary users and click Add. Click on Set Filter and Migrate in the following window. The software will start enumerating folders from the selected users' mailboxes. In the Filter Selection window, apply necessary filters to back up selected emails from Google Workspace. After selecting Filter, click I am OK Start Migration. In the Save As wizard, select the PST option and check Split Output PST File after to create multiple smaller PST files. Click OK. In the Browse for Folder wizard, select the desired folder to save the backed up file and click OK. The software will start backing up all the emails from Google Workspace. Once the backup process is completed, the software will pop up Process Completed. Please save the report to CSV option. Click Save Report to CSV to download a detailed backup report. In the Save As window, select a specific folder to save the backup report and click Save. Finally, click OK to end the backup process. Manual way to back up emails from Google Workspace. Google Workspace is one of the best cloud storage providers that allows users to store, edit, and share their valuable data in real time. Google Workspace secures users' data using its advanced security and protection policies. It also offers several tools to back up email from Google Workspace, such as the Export tool in Google Workspace Admin and Google Takeout. Now, we will talk about backing up emails from Google Workspace using Google Takeout. Open any browser, search Google Takeout and click on it. Enter your login credentials and log into your Google Takeout account. In the Create a New Export section, click on the Deselect All option. Select the Mail option and click Next Step. Choose File Type, Frequency, Destination, and click on Create Export. Google Takeout will start creating an export job for your Google Workspace emails. Once your job is created, you can click on the provided link to download the backed up file to the local or network drive of your system. This way, you can easily back up emails from your Gmail account using a free manual method and an automated professional solution. However, we recommend using Kernel Google Workspace Backup and Restore software for a hassle-free backup process with zero data loss. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. To know more about the software, visit the given link in the description. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Keep exploring, keep learning.